think this one's definitely the winner for me. I headed to Sydney and now we're sitting in the shuttle to the car rental place. Travelling in this teeny tiny little rental car, which I kind of love because it's so teensy. Finally in Canberra, and my sister's gone out and I'm just roaming around. She'll like think. Shopping in Canberra. And now we're going to go to the cafe, the National Museum of Australia. Oh wait, something cool's coming up. Okay, I'm going to go in there. First time in the beach in years. I've literally not been in the ocean. I don't even know the last time I was even in the ocean. A lot of emotions right now. I saved you! There's a little nest. You still can't get over the fact you can leave all your stuff there. Walking away from all my things. Look, I'm in the ocean. Sister's on those rocks somewhere. Shoulders. This is kind of what being at the beach is. It's okay. I don't hate it. It's kind of weird. We're sitting in the ocean and everybody else got out of the water. Nobody yelled shark. I wouldn't have got out if they yelled shark, because sharks are a figment of your imagination. Wait, there is a big thing under the water here. Ah, what's that? It's a crocodile. Alright, we're at a way more dangerous beach now. I don't know if I'm going to go too far down because it's a bit crazy. Action. Oh. Okay, I'm going to put you in the water. Have to wait for a good wave though. That was so fun! I can't believe I'm laughing. Okay, I'm going to put you here. We're going back in the water. Feet. just me. There's a little joey. Did it just make a sound? Yeah. Oh, there's another one over there. Food, drink, me. Oh, it's moving. Oh, what does that mean? It's got a scratchy hand. That's not. Raining outside, so we just played bananagrams. I love word games. I lost this one, but I don't dislike the game. And a baby. So the beach is beautiful and everything, and it's all just well and good and hunky and dory. But check out this. Don't play with a clear balloon on the sand with a blue tinge. It's very, very dangerous. And the lesson is with great beauty, there is great danger. So I guess I'm just gonna stop filming. Click, turned off camera. It's kind of creepy, sneakily recording when there's lots of people around. Police.
Don't forget to keep a safe distance from your fellow passengers. Sydney Airport wishes you safe travels.
Check out where we're sitting on the plane. That's where all of the aeroplane's petrol sits.
I've got one in the front, two in the middle.